very first video, and I'm going to do something silly because I know very first videos don't always get a lot of the hits. So, welcome to my channel where I'm going to make really weird stuff because my number one rule is if it's not ridiculous, why bother making it? But hopefully you'll learn tips and tricks on how to make some significant things. Why would you want to do that? So this little guy is one of those tennis balls that you hang from your ceiling in your garage so you know when you need to stop. I'm going to give it a little bit of character because why not? The tools we're going to need are just a simple hot glue gun. Everything else are the ingredients. The ingredients for this build are going to be the tennis ball hanging in your garage, some pipe cleaners, and googly eyes. I'm going to start with the googly eyes because that way it'll give me an idea of where to put everything else. I know from driving in and out of the garage so much that the ball slightly turns this way when it rolls. So I'm going to start by putting everything on this side so that it rolls into what I'm doing. Let's do that. Next, I'm going to take some pipe cleaners I had lying around and make two little arms and two little feet. The pipe cleaners for the arms are going to be cut in half so that it goes on each side. The legs, don't need that. For the legs, I gave them little feet with two little toes, and I bent it in a shape that gives me a lot of surface area to glue it on. Ta-da! If it's not ridiculous, why bother making it?